36s work, and here's another one. It's just mental. Like, look how wide it is at the front. The cool little top over fender, so you got the normal arch on there, but it just sticks out. That's awesome. And then even the rear here, it's cool over fender kind of. And the wheels. Oh, I love this thing. This wasn't it. It was an M3 36, and the guy, they just liked the sound of a 2J, so they went, well, why don't we just make a compact 2J? And they did. It's like 600 brake horsepower or something like that. I don't think we've done anything too crazy as far as the engine setup. I don't even think it's forged or anything. But just the whole look of it is just awesome. I love it. Absolutely love the whole thing. Scoop on the front here. And look at this, even I like this as well. And inside it's not crazy. Like, nice big cage, strut welded down into the struts. They have said it's been an absolute pain in the ass. Like they said, every time they've taken it out, they've had to change things. So, like, they had HSDs on it, and they were saying that even with the HSDs in the hardest settings, the wheel was disappearing in. So they've gone to I think they've gone to Meisters in the rear. Had to change spring setups and things like that. Have we got a twin caliper setup as well? 2 calipers? Oh, can we see how that's made? Right, let's do this thing. Yeah, 2 calipers. Yeah, so you did 30 shafts at the start of the, what do you call it? 30 shafts when you put it in. So now look what they've done to the shafts. Look at that. And just kind of standard inside in that, but AM gauges, shifter with lockout. What we got? No idea what turbo that is. Can't see what's written on it. Right. I love that car. Right, I'll see if I can find out what the shafts were. Right, those shafts are shafts of Ben Fisher's designs, and they are essentially tractor PTO shafts with flanges welded onto them from 36s.